Good morning, children. I hope you are all fit and fine. So, today is our first class of English text. So, we in this first class we are here to know about something new. So, today we are going to discuss the very first chapter of your book, Snowdrops. So, this is the book, and we are going to open the book. So, let's open the book. We will discuss the very first chapter of this book. So the first chapter is a poem. You can see it. What is the name of the poem? The name of the poem is "With a Friend" by Vivian Gold. So Vivian Gold is an American poet, and he have written many beautiful poems about childhood, about boyhood. Okay, so let's start this poem. We will first read this poem carefully, and I will discuss it to you. Okay, so let's start to read. I can talk with a friend and walk with a friend and share my umbrella in the rain. I can play with a friend and stay with a friend and learn with a friend and explain. I can ride with a friend, take pride with a friend. A friend can mean so much to me. We will read this poem, okay? I can talk with a friend and walk with a friend and share my umbrella in the rain. I can play with a friend and stay with a friend and learn with a friend and explain. I can ride with a friend and take pride with a friend. A friend can mean so much to me. Okay, this is the poem. Try to read it carefully at home and pronounce it very carefully. Okay, and now we are going to discuss this poem. What is in this poem? This is the poem. The poet written something about friendship. Friendship is the friendship is one of the most greatest bond if anyone can wish for. Okay, those are very lucky who have who have a best friend. Okay, you also have friends. I also have friend. So friendship is a devoted relationship between two individuals of same kind. Okay, usually a friendship is shared by two people who have similar interests, similar feelings, similar thoughts, similar joys, similar sorrows, etc. So in this poem, the poet, what did the poet said? The poet said in this poem something, some beautiful relationship, a friend and I. Who is I? I here is the poem. Okay, and with a friend we can share. You also share something. Share your foods. Share your joys. Share your hobbies. Share your wishes with a friend. Okay, so in this poem, here is and share my umbrella in the rain. So with our friend we can share the umbrella. We can talk something. We can talk our joy, sorrow, happiness with a friend. Okay, so in short, true friendship is what gives us reason to stay strong in life. So we are going to we are in this friendship bond. We learn so many lessons from our friendship which we won't find anywhere else. So friendship never leaves us in bad times. Here we can see I can play with a friend. We with a friend I we are all play. Okay, and with a friend we are going to stay with a friend and learn something some valuable lessons, learn something good from a friend. So similarly friendship also teaches us very beautiful things. A friend can teach us in a way that no one can do ever. Okay, So in this poem, the third stanza, I can ride with a friend and take pride with a friend, and a friend can mean so much to me. So in this poem, true friends are like best assets, which we call assets. An asset is a um, treasure or some gold. It may be some gold or some valuable thing. Asset means some valuable things. So friendship is a beautiful, precious and valuable things to us. The poet explained this in this poem. Okay, now again we will read this poem and try to understand the gist of the poem. I can talk with a friend and walk with a friend and share my umbrella in the rain. I can play with a friend and stay with a friend and learn with a friend and explain. I can ride with a friend and take pride with a friend. A friend can mean so much to me. So students, this is all for today, and next class we will do the question and answer. But before that, we should you see this gallery, see this glossary. So in home, at home, you are all uh, going to read the glossaries, the word meanings. Okay, here are the word meanings are share. Share means a part of a larger amount which is divided among a number of people. Stay, remain in same place. Staying in same, remain in same place. Pride, pride means pleasure or gratification. Complete, complete means to try to be more successful than someone or something, etc. Okay, and then the last is disagree. So disagree means have to express a different opinion. So this is all for today, and in the next class we are going to discuss the question answers of this chapter. So students, read it very carefully at home, and if you have any doubt or any questions, send me those questions. I will answer you. Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye.